Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an alternator on a Kia Optima. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. You will need a few essential tools, including a 13mm socket, a 10mm wrench, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this repair. This ensures a safe and smooth process for everyone involved. Let's get started with the first steps. Now let's get that old alternator out. You'll need to use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power cable and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts, often 13mm, that secure the alternator. Remove these bolts and then gently work the old unit free from its bracket. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten these bolts, usually to about 35 foot-pounds. Reconnect all the electrical connectors, ensuring they click securely into place, and attach the main power cable. Finally, route the serpentine belt back on all the pulleys, using your tensioner tool to create slack. Then release it to tension the belt properly. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Now start your engine. Observe your dashboard for any battery warning lights. Using a multimeter, check your battery voltage. It should read around 14.2 to 14.7 volts with the engine running. Listen carefully for any unusual noises like squealing from the belt, which could indicate improper installation. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.